So pretty much I try to quick start my car or like start from my key, and bro, look what happened. Watch, I'm gonna try to start the car on right now. Like, bro, what the fudge? I spent some time because I was kind of in shock. I was just trying to go get coffee, but check this out. What the fudge was that? Bro, what the fudge? Dude, the haters are probably so happy right now, but hey, as long as I have warranty, I am not tripping even a little bit. This is crazy. I pretty much just called the dealership right now. No codes? What do you mean no codes? Bro, I literally just had it on. It was just coming up. Oh my gosh, I forgot I have a check engine light. Yo, that's freaking crazy. I was literally driving this last night with absolutely no issues, bro. All of a sudden, I have this. That's freaking crazy, but we're gonna see. I called the dealership. I called them up. They told me that since it's an emergency, they're gonna try to help me get it in quick, and since it's also warranty, they're gonna see what's up. So, kind of worried. It's a fairly new car, you know what I mean? So, should not be happening. Is it, maybe it's my battery? I feel like if it's my battery though, it would be like, I feel like nothing would be turning on though, right? Like, I don't know, man. Maybe the battery's low or something. Maybe I did kill the battery with the Valvetronics. Oh shoot, dude, I think it is my battery. Just because my LEDs don't pop up anymore. Wait, no, I think I'm just killing my battery right now. It was turning on earlier. Everything else was turning on earlier. I think it might be my battery. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna go see what I can do. All right, so pretty much nothing's turning on now. My laser used to turn on. Let me see if I close the door or something. I think it's my battery. Because now, it was making noises before, but now it's making nothing. Like, it was trying to start on. Now, none of this turns on. That doesn't turn on. Bro, I put on engine start. Bro, nothing still. What the fudge? Am I tripping? Bro, what the fudge happened? Is the battery dead? Like, how can I tell, dude? Nothing. It doesn't even tell me, it doesn't give me any numbers or anything. Just, I'm assuming I broke the engine, bro. I'm assuming that. Oh, dude. It literally was working fine yesterday. What the fudge? Yeah, I have no clue what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna be honest. I can't tell if it's the battery or it says the car's not unparked. Oh, fudge. Bro, I literally drove this home yesterday with absolutely no issues. Like, look at that, bro. What is happening? It was saying the car was not parked, whatever, dude. I'm gonna talk to the dealer, try to get this sorted out, but this is freaking weird. Really drove home yesterday perfectly fine, drove around town, just literally drove chill too. Now all of a sudden it's not freaking working. Like what is happening, bro? This is like such the weirdest issue ever. Like, I was literally doing fine, you know? Like, if I broke down the middle of the road, that's one thing, but it literally just stopped working. Like, the next day. Coming over to help me jumpstart it. I tried charging the battery, but dude, it's big tripping. So we're gonna see if this works. If this doesn't work, dude, I just have to tow it. Sheesh, bro. Alright, try to slow down. Imagine we hear like the engine like knocking. Oh my god, it actually worked. So it's for sure the battery then. Holy crap. Alright, thank you, bro. No worries. Thank you for coming. Alright, see you guys. We're on the way to the dealer right now. And dude, like, look, the screen's not even working. I don't know why the battery would die this quick, but pretty much my homie helped me jumpstart it. I do have warranty on this car, so for like electronics. So we're gonna go see what they're gonna do about it. I'm gonna document this to see like how well they take care of me. But dude, I gotta check engine light still. Like, fudge, man. And I'm still on the clock too. Like, I just took a lunch. So depending on how long this takes, I'm literally gonna be doing work inside the building. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna do work inside the dealership. So we're gonna see, man. I really hope it's not a big issue and it's just like a simple battery issue or something like that. But I'm just curious why this is not on, because it was on before I was able to even try on the car. This thing was on. So now all of a sudden it's like not working. Like, I don't get it, man. It's most likely all have to do with the battery. So we're gonna see how they're gonna take care of me. Mostly happy about how my engine is still good. Like, I've been kind of keeping it chill just in case, but like nothing, bro. No weird jerks. Nothing acting up. Yeah, bro. Nothing's wrong with the engine. That's all I care about, dude. Yep, we're good. We are good. Thank God. Dude, I was worried for a second. But oh no, this car sounds great. I love this car, bro. This car's doing good. It's just a freaking battery tripping out for some reason. I'm assuming it has to do with my valve. I'm gonna be honest, I think it's my valve mufflers. So if that's the case, dude, it killed that battery quick because it hasn't even been a freaking week, dude. It's been officially a week, pretty much, because today's Monday. I did it last Monday, so I don't know. It's whack, man. So we're gonna see right now. Look at this freaking Hellcat wide body. I mean, clean looking freaking car. Only 1.2k miles. You guys can scan that. 77k, dude. This is like a major steal. If I were you guys, I would definitely go for this. The interior, oh yeah, custom interior, custom seats for sure. Oh, bro, this is a steal. If I had all the money in the world, I would totally get this. 100%. It's fire. Dude, there's a freaking track hog here. Since when? It must be one of the dudes that freaking work here. There ain't no way, bro. There better be a sticker because I'm trying to buy this. Oh, fudge. Dude, I was like doing like, I'm actually making a video right now. It's still in the process because I pretty much came to a dealership. They told me it's not ready yet. Bro, if this is like, oh, dude, it's freaking in the dealership. It means there's something's wrong with this car. Fudge, that sucks. Oh, dude, this is like, I don't know. I really want to look into this car. This car's been, it's catching dust though, dude. I bet you anything this is gonna become a lemon if they don't fix it. Rare this car is, but this is a sick ass Mustang. It's a freaking Shelby. Old school. I don't know if it's like actually like a replica or a legit one, but dude, it doesn't matter. It still looks so sick. Go see what's wrong with the car. Are the valves open? No, they're closed. But dude, oh, that thing looks like a freaking beast. Dude, looks, oh my gosh, I can't get over the look of it. Dude, the car is done. They basically just drained the battery out and just refilled it back up. No issue. So I have no clue why this happened, but you know, I feel like this is good to know. I'm feeling it's mostly for me connecting the valve muffler and the radar detector. So we'll see. I'm gonna see what happens in another week. I'm literally gonna just do the same thing I did before, and then worst case scenario, just jump it like I did last time. But we'll see. We'll see what happens next. So pretty much this guy at the dealership, pretty much nothing wrong with the car. I don't know why there's like whole check engine light and all this stuff. Honestly, dude, I thought the engine went bad after my most like since yesterday, but it wouldn't make any sense because there's like nothing going wrong. Like there's no hiccups, no nothing. So I was like, dude, I was in this morning. I'm like, dude, what the fudge? There's no way it's already freaking broken, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time, literally, if this happens again, I'm just gonna jump start it, let it run for like 15 minutes, and let the alternator do its thing. Because after I basically turned it on, after my friend came over and turned it on, helped me turn it on, it's been working since then. So that's what I'm gonna start doing from now on. But I had warranty for like all the electronics, so I'm like, you know what? Might as well go take it. Working from home. So if you guys enjoyed this vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna do one more pull. Sheesh. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.